out there. Hi, Coco.
Hi, Madalyn. Say hi. It's February 2010. It's the blizzard of DC. Largest snowstorm in 80 years.
It tastes like ice cream.
Hi, Rudy. No, yes, kisses. Oh, yes, kisses.
Hey, Madalyn. Say hi. Say hi. Madalyn.
Get in here. Are you stuck? She's so cute. Oh, goodness. You want me to help you up? There you go. Oh. There you go. Shake it all off. Ozzy. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Hey, Madalyn. That's Charlie.
She's like, I don't like this one. I can't hardly move. I have all these clothes on.
She's got a tail in the face.
Nice. Madalyn, are you going to make your own window? Is that what you're doing? Look at that. You're in an igloo. Go.
It's Andrews Air Force Base.
So you really don't think one of the liquor stores will be open today?
I don't.